Greetings, we're back again, as you know, with a simple one. Today we're making hot chocolate. This is how I do my hot chocolate. Check the ingredients out. Okay, so we have carob powder, we have agave, evaporated coconut milk, we got vanilla extract, coconut cream, and we have some marshmallows here, some Damn marshmallows. These are all natural for vegan stuff, as you know, only vegan stuff we do. So those are the ingredients. Okay, so our coconut cream is already here. And now we put our evaporated milk in. So we have about 2 tablespoons of carob powder. You can use cacao, but we use carob because it's sweet. Cacao is a bit bitter, but we'll use a carob powder. And stir that up. A couple drops of vanilla extract. Not much, but well, there's not much left in the bottle anyway, so we'll just finish that off. For sweetener, we had the agave. Do it to your taste. Just had a bit. You need a bit more sweetener, you just taste it and go over it. And you just whisk it and get the lumps out from the carob. Okay, this is it. We have our marshmallows in there. Looking lovely. Let me have a sip. You know. Oh, I'm telling you, you need to try this. These high street shops out there, those coffee shops, can't test this. I'm telling you, try this. As you know, remember, like, subscribe, and I'll continue to bring out this goodness.